a goof with a hard hat on. I didn't film any of this because it's real windy out here. They've got fire warnings out. The load is kind of leaning to the right a little bit, so I had to put all these darn straps on here. It made it tough, but so hopefully I balanced it out some. You can see it when you step up on the trailer. But we're in Kalama, Washington, and we're going to Las Vegas. It's about a 1,000-mile run. It'll be all right. And my co-pilot up there, everybody talked about how great it was with the dog on the truck. When I got done strapping, I opened my door and I had a pile of puke in both my seat and the passenger seat. And that's trucking with the dog. From Boardman, Oregon. I'm walking around checking everything before we go. My light was out. I was able to wiggle it and get back on. Thank goodness. I sure didn't want to go to a TA and have to sit. Everything's working. Oh, we're going to try and get down to Wells, Nevada today. I can't deliver till Wednesday. But I think after Wells, I can't make it to the next truck stop, so it's all good. I'm getting fuel in Stanfield, Oregon. They've got my fuel stop up in Ontario, but I'm only getting 6 miles to the gallon right now with this wind and these hills. I still got to pull those big mountains. That sun's coming up. So I'm gonna get 50 gallons here, and we're gonna stop at the Loves. Gotta clean this window off. Take a shower, keep my shower streak alive. It's been a rough day. The mountains up there, they've got the snow on them. I'm in Wells, Nevada. I'm about 380 miles from my delivery. We're gonna drop it in the morning whether they want it or not. They may turn us away, but we're going in. The shower streak is still alive. I guess I'm gonna go out here and see if they got anything I want to play in this casino. And if they do, I'm gonna hit the ATM. I don't know if they allow filming, so let me turn it off for a minute.
May 28th, 2023 shopping night.
Oh, I'm the mini girl. Yeah, aw, that sucks. There's a rare thunderstorm out here. Maybe that's a sign I need to go back inside. But instead I'm gonna run to my truck. My mouth ain't the only thing I can run. Woo! I got my shower shoes on. Woo! Where did I park? Oh, I parked on this back road. If I fall, nobody laugh at me. I'm about to die just running that far. I won $30. I'll take it. It's a win. You know, I can hear little specks of hail hitting my truck. I needed my windshield washed, so I'll take the rain.